If you want to know how I caught these 3 shorts on Bitcoin, don't miss out on this video. Scalping can be quite complicated if we don't have the correct strategy, and that's why today I want to share with you an incredible strategy for Bitcoin for 1 minute where you can get easy, quick profits, and it's got a quite high win rate. So first of all, let's come into the chart of Bitcoin in 1 minute. Obviously, we can use this in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, in 1 hour, but me especially, I like to use it in 1 minute. And we're going to head to indicators, and we're going to look for 2 indicators here. The first one is the fractals of Williams, okay? And we're going to click this in. So now we've got these on the chart. The next thing we're going to need is free moving average. So we can go to indicators and write 3, and we'll see here free moving average from Advent Trading. So let's click on this. And once we've got these displayed on the chart, what we're going to do now is we're going to come to the settings, and the first EMA, we're going to use it as a 20 EMA. The second one, we're going to up it up to 50. And the third one, we're going to use it as a 100 EMA. Okay, so now we've got the 3 EMAs. We just have to click on, and now we can see how it's spread completely out. But now comes the main focus. First of all, we need to find an idyllic scenario to be able to open our positions. So if we've got the 3 EMAs like this, okay, and they are completely expanded, like the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA and the 50 EMA is above the 100 EMA. If they're completely spread out, then we've got a perfect scenario to start looking for our positions. But if we see that the moving average are starting to cross, okay, then obviously we don't want to enter the markets because it's starting to consolidate, because obviously what we want are good trends so we can ride on top of them. So let's head back to the chart once we've understood this, and as we can see, we got a perfect scenario when this cross happened here. But obviously we're not going to enter when this cross happens here, because really we're still in this choppy range. So basically what we're going to wait is for price to spread out. Once it's spread completely out, then we can start looking for positions, like when it was spread out more or less to here. At this point of the day, it's when we can start looking for positions. So now comes the more interesting is, where are we going to open these positions? So first of all, we're going to wait for price to hit one of the EMAs, especially the 20 or the 50. If it hits the 100 EMA like has happened here, we are not going to enter the market, okay? So if it hits the 20 EMA and it creates a fractal, then we're going to open a position. Imagine that it opened a fractal up here, so we'll be opening a position here, and we'll put in our stop loss at the 50 EMA. But if it comes up like it happened here and it comes to the 50 EMA, then we are going to open the position when the fractal closes. It'll be more or less down here, and the stop loss is going to go above the 100 EMA. And now we only need to target down to 1.5 our risk, in this case down here. This would take down here, and now we'll just be waiting for price to hit the take profit. In this case, it was just near to touch it. Me personally, I would have closed it more or less around here, as I always do. I always close the take profits just before it actually hits the take profit. It's something that I've always done. And as we can see here, we've had few positions, like we've had this one here that came down here. We've had this one that it came to the 20, that would be opening the position in this candle here. The stop loss would be up here. This one would have had to the 1.5, so it would have hit the take profit, no problem. And we would have had another position down here, but in this case, this position would have hit to the stop loss. It would be this one here, fractals here, so we'd probably be opening more or less around here, and our stop loss would be at the 50 EMA. In this case, obviously it would have hit the stop loss, and that is okay, there's no problem, because as you know, trading is pure statistic, and we only need a 55-60% win rate to actually make money on the markets. So let me know down back in the comments if you knew this strategy, if you've ever seen it before. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.